Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today notification is Agnipath Rally notification, where to conducted, which place and when to conduct the process. I will say to the step by step. You can go to the joinindianarmy.com and click the joinindianarmy.com, and we'll go to the official page, and there you can zoom it, and Agnipath option I will selected. Agnipath option will be selected and conduct the rally program and click here. Rally program and click here. The server is very slow, so because of the wait, until we get the application. So the display show will be like that, and select the your which state. Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chandigarh. Select the Andhra Pradesh, and then select the your district. My district name, my district is anyone. I can select it and go to the search bar. And we go to the search bar. You can display the where to conduct the which post we can conducted, showing the category. The server is very slow we have, so that's why you can get the very slow. If you have the good server, we can show the fastly. So now we will display the where to conduct the day in Nellore, AC Subbar Stadium in Nellore. Application started date 5/7/2022. Application end date 3/8/2022. Rally started date 15th/9/2022. Rally end date 26/9/2022. Which application will be category in the rally of conduct the submitted? Agniveer General Duty all arms, Agniveer Tech and all arms, Agniveer Clerk and Storekeeper TA Technical all arms, Agniveer Tradesmen all arms. Okay, thank you for the watching, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.